So you guys, I just wanted to show you my skin up close, I mean without any makeup, so you guys can know that the masks have really been working for me. I mean, you see, I don't look so bad, do I? Anyways, so I hope you guys try those masks and let me know how you feel about them. I mean, they're good. They'll get rid of they'll get rid of the bad things that are happening to your skin, but obviously you can't have perfect skin. Nobody has perfect skin, guys, so we can live with that, can't we? Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I just filmed this makeup tutorial. So some makeup artist came and did my makeup and turned me into James Charles. If you haven't watched this video, then go and watch it. I'm gonna put the link in the description box down below. Anyways, so today I didn't want to waste this makeup because I wasn't going anywhere, so I was like, let me do another video, you know, let me do something. So anyways, I decided to show you guys the masks that I've been using lately, that I've been loving, and that will help clear out your skin. If you have blackheads, if you have acne, if you have zits, if you have rashes, it will help in all that. But obviously you can never get perfectly clear skin. I mean, if you're using makeup, or if you're someone who is always out and about and, you know, getting exposed to dust and all that kind of stuff, you can't have perfectly clear skin. So these will just help you like get rid of and reduce that acne and all that. So if you guys want to see the masks that I want to show you guys and that have helped me personally, then please keep watching. So my camera has decided to disturb me. It's not focusing. I don't know what to do. Anyways, let's just go on with the video. So I want to show you guys 5 masks that I've been using lately and that have really helped me, and I wouldn't be sharing with you guys if this wasn't true. So anyways, I've been using this one. This one it's called EVOLUDERM Paris, and it's an argan oil mask. This one helps brighten your skin. Basically, when all your acne and your blackheads and everything is out, when you have marks left on your skin, then you apply this mask and it helps it reduce those scars and those masks and all that. So this mask is really good for that, and it's like a white paste and it smells amazing because it's the ingredients have argan oil and it's pure argan oil, so it's really good for your skin. So you just have to apply it for like 5 to 6 minutes and you rinse it off, but I usually apply it for like 20 minutes basically, so that it can, you know, settle into the skin. And you know, 5 to 6 minutes wouldn't do anything for me. So anyways, I know that's just me, that's, you guys should follow instructions, but that's just me. So anyways, this is the first mask and I love it so much. So the next mask I want to go to is this one by Avon. It's the Clear Skin Pore Penetrating Black Mineral Mask. This one has salicylic acid, which is good for acne, and it helps in clearing out your blackheads as well, as it has black mineral, you know, the seaweed thing. So yeah, it has that and it's amazing, and I think many people use this mask and they know about it. So this is an amazing mask, guys. You guys should try it if you haven't already. It's a tiny tube like this, but it lasts long because you don't apply it every day. So yeah, you have to apply this one for about 15 minutes. It applies black, and once it dries gray. So then you wash it off with lukewarm water and you are good. So yeah, this is my second mask. Yeah, so this is my second mask and I really love this one as well. Actually, my husband uses this one more than me and he loves it a lot. So the next mask I want to go to is this one by Seventh Heaven Charcoal Mud Mask. This one is mainly for problem skin, basically for acne and yeah, blackheads, acne and all that kind of stuff going on in your skin. It will help all that. And it is also an organic mask, and it detoxifies and protects your skin, and it's a hard drying mask just like the other one I showed you guys. And this one you apply for like 15 to 20 minutes. Once it dries, you can scrub it off. It has some particles that you can use when you're washing it off. You scrub your face slightly for like 2-3 minutes. You give yourself that nice scrub and that nice massage, then you can wash it off. And literally with this one, your skin will feel like a baby's butt. It will feel so smooth, and you will fall in love with this mask, honestly speaking. So the next mask I want to go to is a peel-off mask. Actually, before I talk about this one, I want to talk about the one that is also really good. So I'm also gonna mention it, but I don't have it right now because mine is over. So it's the charcoal blackhead peel-off mask. You know the black ones that everyone uses? Those ones are amazing. You guys, if you have a lot of blackheads and you have a lot of zits and a lot of scars and a lot of acne and all, it really helps clear out all that, because like it peels it off, like literally peels it off. It's painful, but it really works. So these are one of the peel-off masks, and this is the carrot vitamin E peel-off mask. This one is amazing. It's completely natural, and this one doesn't really hurt as bad as the black mask, but it's also amazing and it works really well. It works as good as the blackhead mask. It's just that it doesn't hurt. So it's from a company called CABOTS. I don't have the box right now, or else I would have shown you guys. I threw it away. But anyways, this is an amazing mask, and it also should be applied for like 20 minutes. So anyways, I want to go to the star of the show, something that will help you more than you could even think of it. I mean, it's an amazing mask. It has helped me, it has helped others, it has helped everyone. It's a famous mask and everyone knows about it, but if you don't know it, I'm gonna mention it. So anyways, this mask it actually stinks. It smells like I don't know, but it doesn't smell nice. It smells really bad, but I think if you're someone who really wants your skin to become good, and you're really focused on having like good skin, and you know, obviously if you want to look good in your makeup, you need good skin. So you would resist anything. I mean, you would want your skin to be clear, obviously. So anyways, this is the last mask, and this is the AZTEC Secret Indian Healing Clay Mask. This is the world's most powerful facial deep pore cleansing mask. So this mask you apply for like 20 to 30 minutes, and you apply it once a week, yeah. And yeah, that's it. That's all you need to know about it. But just know this product, this is the product. This is the product you need to invest in. This is the product you need to get for yourself. This is the product that can win all the masks in the world, honestly speaking. Whoever created this product, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, because I don't know what I'd do without this mask. Like literally, I have only that much left. It's like a powder, so you mix it with apple cider vinegar, or you mix it with water, and you just create a paste and you apply it to your face. And when it's on your face, you literally feel like it's working, because you get this kind of tingly feeling on your skin, and you're like, okay, this mask is working. Okay, you know, when the first time I used this mask, why do I feel like I'm talking so much? But I'm trying to explain to you guys how good this mask is. And if you guys think this video is sponsored, then it's not sponsored. I just love this mask a lot, and all these masks are amazing. You guys would love them, and you guys would thank me later. And trust me, if you know that these work really well, and if you want to help someone else, then please comment down below so that that person can see your comment and probably go and purchase these products and try it for themselves, and probably it will help someone out there, you know. So anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, then please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. I mean, hello, hi, welcome. So anyways, I'll see you guys in my next video, and I'm back full force.